Mainly the better rate, but also wanting to improve the house and make things a little more comfortable. Based on firstly getting my loan with Marvin 6 years ago, just looking at the market, thinking perhaps now's the right time to look into it. Marvin made a few suggestions and I was happy to look into it further. Starting at ground zero with what my objectives were for the next sort of 5 years, my business situation. Marvin was able to see a bigger picture and really interpret what I wanted a lot better than the banks. I think within sort of a 2 to 3 week period, with a little bit of signing of documents back and forth, a couple of conversations, but as far as from my end, my signature was all that was needed and approval. Marvin did the rest, and it was
2 to 3
easy.
weeks.
Yeah,
okay.
No, it was pretty seamless, to be honest. A lot of it was via phone, but I did have a meeting with Marvin just to clarify what my goals were and my objectives with refinancing. So everything that up until this date, we've done a couple of other loans with my business with Marvin, so it's all been quite easy and straightforward and hassle free. And I was dealing directly with the previous lender. They weren't too interested in looking at the rate or changing anything there, so that's why I then followed it up, and the rate was miles more competitive. And I'm a pretty basic guy that loyalty to me is massive. So why aren't you looking after the customers that are with you? Why should I be wanting to shop around?
Of course, and you have your own small business, so you
understand how it
would
works.
totally apply that, wouldn't you? Yeah,
so,
absolutely. Next for you, Dave, where you've done your refinance, what do you think the next step for you in your property or home journey might be?
Oh, definitely an investment property, and whether that is in the terms of a holiday rental, but somewhere we can escape to, and perhaps now I'm entering that part of my life where I need to look at superannuation, retirement.
Done?
That's
okay.
it.
Tap dance? Or?
Yeah.